Growing up. Hello everyone, I am Sally. Look how tall I am. I want to show you that I am growing. I can take a bath by myself. Taking a bath every day makes me feel clean and fresh. I can also change my own clothes. I wear clean clothes all the time. I can eat by myself too. Fruits and vegetables are healthy. That is why I love to eat them. I go to school too. I learn a lot of things in school with my teachers and classmates. I like to read books. That is why I borrow some books in our library. Our school librarian is kind and pretty too. I can also paint. I do it in our arts room. I like to paint trees, flowers, and animals. Painting is super fun. Guess what? I can dance too. I love ballet. I want to be a ballerina someday. And that's me, and I am growing up. Thank you. Please like and subscribe if you are new to our channel. Goodbye.